Hello everyone, this is Vishal from Align Motions and today we are going to create a digital signature in Photoshop. So let's make a signature. Simply take a piece of paper and make a signature. Then click the image of that paper or scan it. So after clicking the image, just import it on your PC and open the file on your Photoshop. Take your crop tool and crop the image according to your preferences. Now zoom it, go to your channels and select that channel who has highest contrast. Now go to image, adjustment, curves. Hold the Alt key and move the right slider to the left and move till when the details around the signature are go away. Similarly, move the left slider to the right till you begin to see the signature. And click OK. Now hold the control key and click the thumbnail of the channel. It selects the white area, but we have to select the black area of the signature. So simply press the Ctrl Shift plus I key to invert the image selection. Now go to layers, make a new layer and simply select the color, solid color. Now this is our signature, and if you want to change the color, double click on the panel and select the color you want and click OK. You can also import it as a PNG form. Thank you and have a nice day.